What's good, trendsetters? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, I am Will, and you are watching Trendsetter TV. Alright, so you saw the title, you saw the thumbnail, so you already know what we're doing. This is kind of like a haul, but it's not a haul. It's like my favorite products in my collection so far. Because I've tried a lot of things, but I haven't tried like a lot of things. So if you saw my last video that I did, the Prince Family Now We Up reaction video, you saw how good my hair looked. So the products that I use for my hair, some of them, I'm gonna tell you which ones, but some of them was used to get what I got. This is day 3. So the day I did that video, it was day 1. So which was like a few days ago. But anyways, if you are new to the channel, subscribe now. Don't wait till I got 5K, 10K, 20K. Subscribe now because I'm about to blow. But anyways, like I said, some of the products that I used are in this video. So pay attention. But we about to start with the pre-poo. This is Aunt Jackie's, not on my watch. I'm not gonna put this in the camera to show you. I don't have a ring light, so I'm using lamps, and so it takes my camera a long time to readjust and focus with these lamps. But anyways, it's called Aunt Jackie's, not on my watch. Okay, so this product right here, I only used it one time, but I like what it did for my hair. I want to say I have 3C4A hair. My hair isn't just 4A, it's too loose. The longest part of my hair is back here, and it's very loose. Like, it's tighter up here on the sides, really tight on the sides. It's looser right here, but in this back, it's not 4A. So I say it's 3C4A. It's not just 3C, it's not just 4A. So 3C4A all around my hair, but this is the longest part of my hair. It detangles the crap out of my hair. I love it so much. I've only used it one time, so I'm gonna grow to love it even more. But anyways, next product is what we're gonna do, the shampoo. The shampoo, y'all, hydrate and repair.
I got oil on Morocco shampoo.
I love this product. This is really good. It makes my hair feel so cleansed, yet it's moisturizing my hair. Like, you know how some shampoos strip your hair and it takes all the moisture out of your hair, but this, listen, this gets all of the product out of my hair, and plus, listen, it gives moisture back to my hair. I really love this line. It's so good, and my favorite oil is in this product.
Argan oil.
I've always loved argan oil since I first grew out my hair in 2015, 2016. Next product we're gonna talk about is, I'm gonna go to the co-wash. Well, this product right here, the main choice, 3-in-1, revitalize and refresh, co-wash, leave-in, and detangler. I've used it for all three. And y'all probably think that my hair isn't long enough to detangle. My hair is very long. It may not look long, but listen, that's the word of the day. I tell you, this product has so much lip. You know, last time I used it as a co-wash.
Oh my god.
It melted in my hair. It felt so good. It made my hair feel so smooth and so soft. I loved it so much. But yeah, get y'all some. So next part is conditioner. This conditioner, argan oil of Morocco renewing conditioner. This, hey, the slip is gives. I loved this conditioner. This was my favorite conditioner up until I got my new conditioner. But listen, this slip, right after I dyed my hair, I was using this, and I love this conditioner. It made my hair feel so soft. An hour after I showered, I could still feel this in my hair. It felt so good. It smelled so good. Oh my gosh. But it has argan oil, so I love argan oil. I love this product. Y'all need to get y'all some. But like I said, this was my favorite conditioner until I got this next conditioner. Hey, listen. This right here, invest in this. If you've never seen this product before, hey, you need to get some today. This is, I'm gonna say this wrong. I'm not good with pronunciation sometimes, but this right here, Kuki oil, Kuki. Like I said, I'm not good with pronunciation. From Organics, where I got the conditioner and the shampoo that y'all just saw. Hydrate and defrizz. This does what it's supposed to do. This, hey. All I'm gonna say is If you don't have this in your collection, you missing out. Get you some QQ oil. Like I said, I'm not good with pronunciation, but you'll know when you see this. Type in organics QQ. Listen,
I love
to detangle with this. The slip this product has is
out of this world.
listen. Try to tell you, you don't want to not have this in your collection. Get you some. The next is Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. So when I first used this product, I was like, I don't know. Within I can tell if I'm gonna like something in like the first minute I put it on. But it said 3-Minute Miracle. But minute one, I was like, I don't feel any slip. I don't feel any moisture or nothing. Minute one. Minute two, I was like, okay, I feel it a little bit more than I felt it in the first minute. Minute three, I felt it even more. 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. Hey, this right here, this deep conditioner, this is a deep conditioner. This is a deep conditioner. Y'all, if you don't have nothing else, make sure you have this deep conditioner. What I'm talking about. This deep conditioner, that QQ oil for condition. Oh, listen. Yo, this conditioner is the bomb.com. The slip is out of this world when you leave it on for like 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. Cause I ain't just gonna do it for 3 minutes cause I won't feel it nothing. Like I said, this right here, this the truth, y'all. The next product I'm gonna talk about is this Detangling. Thank God it's natural. Honey Miracle hair mask. I ain't gotta say too much. I already said this is my favorite deep conditioner I have
Ever
used. Get you some. I love this so much. It smells so good. It made my hair feel so soft and revitalized and refreshed and juicy after I used it with my dryer. Get you some. Make sure y'all always deep condition your hair. Like, what are you doing? If you're not deep conditioning your hair and you putting all these products in your hair, you're not doing nothing for your hair. All you're doing is just adding products. You gotta deep condition to strengthen your hair. Because when you're putting all these products on your hair, you're not doing anything but weighing your hair down, making it weak and brittle. Deep condition, y'all. Deep condition. If you're not gonna deep condition with nothing else, use this. Next product is leave-in. This leave-in, y'all. This is my favorite leave-in so far. Plus the 3-in-1 main choice leave-in. But this right here, y'all saw how my hair was looking that day one wash and go. I mean, it still look good. Listen, y'all, this leave-in right here, get you some. This leave-in is called the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. Here's all you need to get by. This, look at this slip. I don't know if y'all can see. Look at this slip. I don't know if y'all saw, but how easy it's going from side to side. That means that slip is out of this world. It has
a lot
of slip. And it says it's ultra hydrating. I felt it. That's why this is my favorite leave-in. Out of all the leave-ins I tried, this is my favorite. It also says enriched with shea butter and olive oil. So my hair doesn't really like shea butter, but somehow, some way, it loves this. Like I said, I used this the day I did the Prince family reaction. My hair was looking amazing, if I do say so myself. But get you some, y'all. This video not sponsored by none of these brands, but I love those so much. The next product is Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie Cream. This product is a staple. It's always going to be a staple in everybody's natural hair care routine. But when I used this, I didn't feel like I needed this. So imagine if I used both of these together. But anyways, back to this. This product, y'all, I ain't gotta say too much. It's a staple. Get you some. The last product we're gonna talk about is this wet line gel that everybody named Mama been using. I ain't gotta say too much. I was using Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel, but this bad boy, y'all, get you some, y'all. Get you some. Get you some. Don't wait. Get you some. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you can get all 9 none. and not some of the notifications of my videos. And I will catch you on next episode of Trunks of the Way TV. I am gone.